Hi, this is Nandini Tripathi from Roots Academy. Do you ever thought why carbon does not form iron? This is one of the important concept and one of the important reason for class 10th, as well as this concept form a base for class 12th. To know the reason, let's go through this video. Why carbon does not form iron? To know this, first we have to know about the carbon element. Carbon element has atomic number 6 and atomic mass 12. As you know, atomic number means the number of proton or number of electron. So if my atomic number is 6, so proton will be also 6 and electron will be 6. Atomic mass is 12. So according to the definition, atomic mass is number of proton plus number of neutron. So if my proton is 6, so obviously neutron will become 6. So in carbon element, the proton is 6, electron is 6 and neutron is 6. When we draw a electronic configuration, inner shell will take a 2 electron and outer shell will take a 4 electron. In a carbon, you know, the 2 electron will occupy the inner shell and 4 electron will occupy the outer shell. So this is the electronic configuration of carbon. It means carbon has 4 valence electron. And that is the Lewis structure of carbon. Carbon has 6 proton and 6 electron, out of which 4 electron is the valence electron. Carbon is unstable. Why it is unstable? Because octet is not completed. What do you mean by octet? According to octet law, elements should acquire 8 electron in their outermost orbit. Either by gaining, either by losing, okay? But there should be a 8 electron in the outermost orbit to get stable. But in a carbon, there is only 4 electron in the outermost shell, thus carbon is unstable. If carbon wants to get stable, carbon can either gain 4 electron or either it can lose 4 electron. So carbon has 2 options. If carbon is gaining 4 electron, what will happen? Let's see. As we know, electron is 6. If carbon gain more 4 electron, what will happen? The electron will become 10. But proton will be same, 6. Okay. Carbon is gaining more 4 electron. So obviously the charge will be 4 minus. Any element which is gaining, which is having a negative charge, it is called as anion. And this is not possible. Reason? Because proton is 6, electron is 10. So the 6 proton will be not able to hold 10 electron. Yes, proton is like positive charge is less and negative charge is more. So 6 proton will be not able to hold this 10 electron. So this is not possible. 6 proton are not effectively able to attract 10 electron. What about if carbon lose 4 electron? There was already a 6 electron in carbon. If carbon lose 4 electron, 2 electron will be left. What about proton? Proton will be 6. If carbon is losing a 4 electron, it will be, guess what? It will get how much charge? Plus 4. Any element which is getting a positive charge, they are called as cation. This is also not possible. Reason? Because as we are removing the electron, what will happen? Proton, as proton is same, no? So positive charge will increase. As we are removing electron, positive charge will increase, negative charge will decrease. Thus, positive charge will hold electron more tightly. And that is the reason you will require a more energy to remove the electron out from that shell. Thus, energy needed to remove electron is very high. That is the reason this condition is also not possible. Thus, carbon cannot get stable either by gaining electron or either by losing electron. It means carbon cannot form ion. It is not possible. Carbon ion formation is not possible. But we already learned, in 10th standard, there is a chapter called carbon and its compound. In 12th standard, there is a organic chemistry. That means carbon also gets stable. Carbon gets stable. That is the reason, no, we are getting so much compounds of carbon. So in my next session, you are going to learn about how carbon getting